Hey, welcome back everybody. This is John again from Volkswagenplanet, and today I'm going to bring you guys another quick video, sort of like I don't really call it a how-to, but it's a kind of like an information video. So what I thought about is, you guys ever wonder how the VW convertible gets its strength and integrity when it's a convertible? Well, let me show you what actually holds these VWs together. Now, on most of your VWs that you guys know, and for those who don't own convertibles, this is looking at, here, let me get a better view here. This one right here would be under your back seat. On a non-convertible, it's just a really quick flat bar of aluminum, I guess, real mild steel, and we got panels that cover up the open section right here. Well, in a convertible, you get this piece of steel for the integrity. So that's what holds the VW. That's what gives the convertible all its strength and rigidity. So my question is, and for those who've been around the VWs longer than I have, could you, and why didn't they use this, I guess, strengthening beam on this sedan? Now, you guys are going to say, okay, it doesn't need it because of the roof, but let's say you're building a Baja or something like that. Wouldn't you want that extra beam, if at all possible? So like, comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, and tell me what you guys think. I mean, I'm sure it was a cost-effective measure, and that's why they didn't do it on all the Beetles. But I know from 68 and up, that beam was used. And so just want to pass that information on for those who don't own convertibles and was always curious about the same question. So we'll catch you in the next video, guys. Have a good one. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great nation, the United States of America. Have a good weekend, and we'll catch you on the next round.